baby. Hang on. Way to go, guys.
There are showers in the area. There's probably more rain on the way, but they at least want to give this a valiant effort to get going.
Need everybody just to slow down just a second, take a deep breath, make sure everything is right. Fight all day long, be ready with 150 to go.
Step and go, guys. One of our best racetracks here for sure. 500 laps, anything can happen.
Stenhouse wants to know how the juice feels on the bottom end so he knows what to expect. I don't know. Can't feel that until you get going. It's going to be slick. How about that? That'll work.
Let's go racing in the last great Coliseum, boys!
He heads up here early on. Stuff happens quick.
Down, 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 down.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Stay last, stay. I got hit pretty hard straight on. I think I got the 9 pretty good in the front there. I had it stop. I got drilled. Been off before. Backing down, backing down. It's on the front stretch. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I reckon behind you. You're good. Keep on. Watch the 34.
You fronty. Wow. Good. Oh, made it. I was fine, man. I got plowed. I got something wrong. My steering wheel's way off. It's raining. It's raining. I mean, the track changes color. Pretty heavy raindrops up here, Rodney. Damn, weather. Pit road's completely wet now. I honestly can't believe we even got started, to tell you the truth.
And now we're under yellow and work can resume.
Pace car's starting to roll. Copy, we're running.
Green.
We're going to be getting a little bit more rain shortly, I believe. Take what it'll give you here.
There's contact in turn 4.
Start walking down here, hope we don't get hit. Yep, somebody's got one coming.
That's his fault, John. All right, might have a little bit of nose damage. Barely got into the 20.
Come low here, come low. Come middle, go out. Check up. We're in it, guys.
Nowhere for Ryan Blaney to go there.
Nice job, man. And catch my breath here. We got a wheel coming loose.
The draw at the 41, bottom lane here in front of you, outside.
50 to go into stage. Radar is getting worse. Starting to rain again. I think this one's here to stay. The race has been postponed.
Mother Nature won out at the Coliseum today here at Bristol Motor Speedway.
This morning, it's just little, tiny pop-up showers. Some drivers waiting it out in their cars. Some climbed out, headed for the haulers.
Hey, did you hear about that light bulb party?
What? No.
Yeah, it was pretty lit.
That's the best joke you got?
All right, get ready, pace car's getting ready to roll. Sleet's picking up again, pretty heavy. There's water running out of the roof. Staying out. Well, everybody besides the 31 pitted. What do you think of the car, or the track? I can't tell, Joey.
33 laps before we get to halfway in the end of stage number 2 as the green flag comes out.
These guys are going to start not getting much room here.
Kyle staying in line with you. You give him room, he'll get by you. Breathing room back to the Kyles. Breathing room. Don't be impatient here. You got room.
Third stage win of the season for Brad Keselowski.
Last 2 times around pit road's been horrendous because of following somebody. They were both slow as hell.
Larson in your rear by 2. He turned down the hill inside. He turned down the hill a little stronger than you to go down the hill. Larson's found speed off of you on the 18.
So we all clear on exit, 1.5 back 18, all clear.
New leader.
Heavy lappers here again. Every time we get to this son of a takes a different way. Figure it out. One or the other.
Newman turns Larson.
All right, lock it down. He cut across my nose. I think that was obvious. Let him know I'm sorry, but he can't just cut across my nose.
How about Bubba?
All yours, brother. Come get him. It's your race, man. Nice and smooth here. Set a pace.
And the Richard Petty, number 43, goes to the lead in Bristol.
Feel like I'm going to blow right front. I got marbles all over the tire. It's terrible, man.
There it goes. Step, keep it up.
I didn't hit hard enough to be out, Paul.
Boy, that saved the 18 of Kyle Busch.
Dang it. One of them to go green. Get everything where you need fire in there. This is for all the marble.
I tell you who timed that restart really, really well was Stenhouse. He laid back just a little bit and got a really nice run.
Down, outside 42. Clear, use it. By 2, run your regular.
Kyle Busch.
Checkered, yeah! Cody, clear me. I don't know what you guys are doing. It's your house, KB. You did it, baby. You did it. Woo!